Hey there, Savvy Savers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something we all need but rarely talk about: credit reports. Get ready for my honest review of Experian. Plus, there's a special discount just for you. So make sure to click the link in the description below to snag that deal. Alright, let's get into it. Experian is one of the big dogs in the credit report world, but does it actually live up to the hype? First off, it's insanely easy to sign up. Seriously, if you can order pizza online, you can handle this. The interface is super user-friendly. Your grandma could probably navigate it. No offense, grandma. Now, onto the features. Experian doesn't just show you your credit score. Oh no, it's like a credit report on steroids. You get real-time alerts, identity theft protection, and even tips to boost your score. It's like having a financial guardian angel, minus the wings and halo. But here's where things get real. They offer something called Experian Boost. It's a free feature that lets you add your utility and phone bills to your credit report. Imagine getting credit for paying your Netflix subscription. I mean, finally, binge watching pays off. Now the big question, is it worth the money? The basic service is free, which is awesome. But for a few extra bucks, you get access to all the premium features. For me, the peace of mind alone is worth it. All right, folks, now for the nitty-gritty. If you're still on the fence, here's my 2 cents. Experian is a game changer. It's like having a personal trainer for your finances. And let's be real, who doesn't need a financial glow-up? So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your special discount and start your credit journey today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, that's a wrap. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest money-saving tips. Until next time, stay savvy.